Hi everyone. So this is the last day of the third week, and yet again, welcome here for learning together. So we will build together, burn together. In the field of development, we are now facing the issues and challenges of profile page, ad post page, and we are resolving that. After that, we will move to the next task. So let's first get back to the track and let's look into the Jira where we are tracking our systems, what we have done till now. So we have gone to Jira and in front end development, you can see we are building this part and we are in the progress of add post. Then we will use the comment. So let's get back to the code and start the server. So check where what we have done till now. So it's running in a bit. So by the time, let me refresh the page and also look at the Figma design. So after home page, we have built the add post. Now next thing was the comment. So we will make something like this. So let's see. Okay, this is there. Add post is there. So I want some caption over here. Upload your image. So that should be something like this. And we want changes for this. Level for post. And this should be upload your post. It's simple and looking better, right? This and try something. So now this is ready. So we are here, that is going here. So now next thing, we have to make the comment page for the post. So it will be added in the comment post page, and we will also add the link for this. So let's go to the sidebar first and add the link over here, this part. So that will become something like this. And let's move this over there. That, and this should be slash home. Line number 63. Yeah, it's fine. Now it becomes the link to home. So I guess home is not the correct thing. Index.js. So let me look at to that. So slash. So get back to the sidebar again. Instead of home, we will add slash. Yeah, we are here. So we have added this. We have added the post button, which has this part. Now, what the next thing was? So first, we will add this as completed. So we will also come back for all of these things when we are ready with the API part. And we will integrate this with the APIs as well. And then we will write the JS part of it. That is a JavaScript which will be used to fetch the data from the APIs and dynamically add the data. So reactivity of the website will work there. Right now it's the static website, right? So next part is add comment. So we will add an index for add comment. First let me add the path, but path will not work because there is no component or no view of that. So let me add a view. Comments dot view script setup. Now then we have a template. Then we have a style scoped. What does scope stand for? Basically, scope stand for this uh, view only. So first thing we have to import sidebar from this. And in template again, what we will do? We will copy this part. Added this, and now let me close this div as well. So there should be something added like this way, and now we have added this. So now let me add the path for it. When will be added and the component for it. Thing. So we will look into the documentation. So let's say uh, that I guess when there will be API we will do that. So let me do this thing first. So make it in progress, and now instead of that we will add a slash comment. So now it has been added in the comment page with all the links, right? So we have added this. Now here should be the content. So we will add the content here, and how that should be there. First thing, there should be some image whose SRC will be something like when there is a post. For now, let me add the posts image SRC. Otherwise, it could have been a better. Let me see, just a wait. This is not the image. This is the image. Image should be there, and under the image there should be a div. Class equals to flex box, and what does it roll? So text wrap with something, v for I in n. So let me check at this. So it's a loop. So you can see v for I in 3. So n is the basically range. So I in, let's say, again 3. And here what we want, and text wrap content should be in justify item, center items, center text center, text black. Now first thing, it should be some h6 or some strong. A class should be text black, font bold, text LG. And then we will add a span over this. So we will add a span over this, like this way. So you can see it is there, and what the thing that is making that thing? Truncate. So now nothing has been added there. White space normal has been added. So let's add that too. Now in that we will add a class. Instead of class, what we will do image tag mapping with the CSS. And what should we map? Max height 200 pixels, max width 400 pixels. So it's small. So height is 400 and this should be 500. Oh, 600. Now below this, This should be strong, and let's say ID is someone's name is Jack, so I've added Jack. And then what are different tags we require? So now we require a p tag whose class will have text. Again we will check. So text something like this, text base, text center, nothing. Text should be text base is there and size is given there, no gap, nothing, right? White space, no wrap. And here let's say we'll add Lauren Ipsum image, given caption, text of Socio Connect. So yeah, now we can see the comment. But after every comment, now we want some space between these two things. First thing, I want some space this way, and then so let's see what the Tailwind CSS component for it. What we are. So we will add this here and see what will happen. So we require some gap and we'll check for tab space in HTML. So that is something like this. And now there is tab space. So this is looking good. And we have got this, achieved this as well. We want something more. So content is there in the design. So we will copy that content and add here. And after that we will add like this way. Now let's see what the change is there. So now there is something. We want text wrap. Wrap break word. Wrap. Let's remove the no wrap. So that is white space tailwind. Space normal. Now, and and that's all. We will add more aesthetics to it and design it better tomorrow. So I hope today is the good session of learning and a small content need to be added, and we will finish this tomorrow as well because tomorrow is the deadline for comment part. We can see that, right? And then we will start, if time permits, we will start with the notification page.